In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money through MoneyGram using a credit card. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official MoneyGram website. Make sure you are on the correct site before entering any personal information, especially when you are dealing with payments and transfers. Using the official website helps protect your account and keeps your transactions secure. Once you are on the home page, log into your MoneyGram account. Enter your account credentials and wait for your account dashboard to load. If you are using a shared or public device, avoid saving your login details in the browser and be sure your internet connection is secure before continuing. This is a simple but important step anytime you are handling financial activity online. After logging in, begin a new money transfer transaction. Look for the option to send money or start a transfer, then open the transfer form. From there, follow the on-screen prompts to enter the required transfer details. Take your time as you move through the section because accuracy matters when sending money. Even small mistakes in transfer information can cause delays or other issues, so it is always worth double-checking what you enter before moving forward. When you reach the checkout or payment section, choose credit card as your payment method. This tells MoneyGram that you want to fund the transfer using your card rather than another available option. Depending on the setup of your account and region, you may be asked to provide your card details and billing information at this stage. Be sure everything is entered exactly as it appears on your card and billing records to avoid payment errors. Before you click submit, take a moment to review your card issuer's potential cash advance fees. This is a very important part of the process because some credit card companies may treat money transfers differently from standard purchases. If that happens, your card issuer could charge additional fees or apply different interest terms. Checking this in advance can help you avoid unexpected costs and make a more informed decision before completing the transaction. Once you have reviewed the possible fees and you are comfortable proceeding, you can submit the transfer. That's all it takes to send money through MoneyGram using a credit card. Follow each screen carefully, review your details before final confirmation, and you'll make the process smoother and more secure from start to finish.